What's up, guys? Has anyone seen Olivia today?
I haven't seen her all day.
No?
You okay?
Yeah, you came.
We all did.
Hey. Hey, Olivia.
Look, I'm really sorry about Nancy.
Yeah, me too.
Hey. It's nice out here.
Yeah, sometimes I like to look up and see what shapes I can find, you know, in the clouds.
It's a giant old lady with a skirt and an umbrella.
You see there, there's a flower in a vase. Oh, I see a hand.
Nah, you're way off. It's an alien pushing a baby carriage.
All I see is a blob. Sometimes I think I'm too stupid to be in my family. Like I'm just some big letdown. No wonder my mom ignores me.
I wish my dad would ignore me. I'm never gonna live up to this idea he has of this perfect Indian daughter, you know?
Try living up to a perfect brother. I'd take perfect brother any day over my dad's ridiculous girlfriend.
Oh, my dad's in prison. I'm too humiliated to talk to him or about him. And you know, he writes, but I don't write back 'cause I don't know what to say. I mean, he's made some really bad decisions since my mom died, and I still love him, but he's a stranger now, you know? Which is why I'm so glad to have this, you know, our friendship.